Reconfiguration. Kill one of your own recruits, draw one random afterlife card and place in Loyalist. Place Reconfiguration behind the drawn card and double its value. Effect cannot be removed even if the card is killed. So what we would do is we'd place this here because we're going to use this in a minute to mark our cards. This is one of our recent new effects called a card effect. So what happens is we'd kill one of our recruits. This is a good opportunity to take out this -4, and I would kill the card. So that's -4 points. Then we would shuffle the afterlife deck and then randomly take that card out. In this case, it's a 4. Not the best, but it doubles it, and now from this point on, the card is worth 8 points. So, in just as a secondary note, had I drawn this -4 here, that actually does double the negative to make it a -8 points. So you got to be careful when you do that. Make sure there's not a lot of afterlife cards when that happens. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.